Today we will learn change in profit sharing ratio, and this is the fourth chapter of partnership. What is change in profit sharing ratio and how we will use this change in profit sharing ratio in the firm? First of all, we should know change in PSR is profit sharing ratio. Change in profit sharing ratio means reconstitution of partnership firm. Whenever we change profit sharing ratio, at that time our firm reconstitutes. And the second important point, the partner whose share of profit decreases due to change in profit sharing ratio is known as sacrificing ratio. And the partner whose share of profit decreases due to change in profit sharing ratio is called sacrificing partner. On the other hand, when partner whose share of profit increases due to change in profit sharing is known as gaining partner. Here I am using two terms, sacrificing partner and gaining partner. Let's see, we can understand in this detail. Suppose there are three partners, A, B and C, and they were dividing their profit and loss in the ratio 5:3:2. They were divided their profit and losses in the ratio 5:3:2. But they decide to change in profit sharing ratio. They decide new ratio 4:2 and 4. They decided that further they will distribute their profit and loss in the ratio 4:2:4. Now we will understand. Suppose there are 10 rupees and they were receiving these 10 rupees in this ratio earlier. A was receiving 5 and B was receiving 3 and C was receiving 2. This was earlier ratio. Now they decide to change their profit sharing ratio. At that time A will get 4 rupees out of 10 and B will receive 2 rupees out of 10 and C will receive 4 rupees out of 10. So now we will understand what is gaining ratio and what is sacrificing ratio. Before this, we should know who is gaining partner and who is sacrificing partner. First of all, we will deduct. Let's see. Earlier they were getting 5 rupees. Now they are getting 4 rupees. It means A will get 1 rupee less. On the other hand, B was receiving 3 rupees. Now B was receiving 2 rupees. It means he will also get 1 rupee less. Now we will see the partner C. Earlier C was receiving 2 rupees. Now he will receive 4 rupees. It means he is getting 2 rupees more. Now, E is receiving, C is receiving 2 rupees more. It means C is gaining. So, C will be called gaining partner. And you are seeing A and B. These two partners are sacrificing ₹1 each. It means they will be called sacrificing partner. In this way, we can understand who is gaining partner and who are sacrificing partners. Now we will learn the calculation of gaining and sacrificing ratio. The formula is old ratio minus new ratio. These ratios are given in the question. Suppose there are 3 partners in a firm. Old ratio was given and new ratio was also given. It can be something. In the same way, ratios of B and C given in the question. What will we do? Whatever old ratio is given in your question of A, we will write here, and after that new ratio will also be given, that will be deducted. In this way we will write here, and after that when new ratio will be deducted from old ratio, we will get some ratio, whatever we get. Now the question is this: what is gaining and what is sacrificing ratio? If your answer is in minus, it means they are gaining ratio. And if the answer is in plus, it will be called sacrificing ratio. I think you have understood this formula and this calculation. Now, to understand all the things deeply, we will solve some examples and we will find new ratio, sacrificing ratio or gaining ratio. We are taking this example to understand how we can calculate sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. There are 4 partners in a firm. The name of the partners were A, B, C and D, and they were dividing the profit and loss in the ratio 1:2:3:4. They changed the ratio to 1:4:2:3. Find sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. How we can solve? First of all, we will write the name of the partners here. and we will write here the old ratio 1/10, 2/10, 3/10 and 4/10. This was the ratio earlier. Now they changed the ratio. It will be called old ratio and this will be called new ratio. As you know, I have told you about the formula old ratio minus new ratio. We have written here old formula and after that the minus sign will come here and we will write here new ratio 1/10, 4/10, 2/10 and 3/10, which is written in your question. After doing this, because you are seeing here minus sign, so we will deduct this from this. We will find here 0/10. This digit will be of minus 2/10 and 1/10. 1/10. After calculating this, we will find out who is sacrificing ratio or sacrificing partner and who is gaining partner. Now you will have to tell us who are the gaining partner and who. I have told you that where you are seeing the plus sign, these will be called sacrificing partner. So we will write here sacrificing ratio you are seeing here plus and you are seeing here plus, so we will write here 1/10, 1/10. We can write here 1:1 or equal. And who is sacrificing? C and D. C and D are sacrificing partners. Now you are seeing, because here is 0 and the wherever 0 will come, the amount will be nil. Now minus sign you are seeing in B. So only B sacrifices, but we cannot find, only B gains. We cannot find gaining ratio, because if we want to find any ratio, there must be 2 partner. Here A is nil while B is only 1 partner. So we cannot write here gaining ratio, but we will write only B gains. In this way, we can find the gaining ratio and sacrificing ratio. I think you have understood who are the gaining partners and who are the sacrificing partner and how we can find the gaining ratio and sacrificing ratio. So we will learn some more examples in the next video. Till then, thank you.